Tokens generally are used these keywords, identifiers, and constants, variable string, literals, operators. So like this. Keywords, also called as reserved words. These reserved words are predefined words in any languages and which are not redefined. In C language, we are having totally 32 keywords, that means reserved words, and also called as these are all standard words. That means we cannot change the keyword spelling or purpose and meaning, etc. We have no permission to change the keywords. And identifiers are the variables and constants. Identifiers. Strings means the any name that it should be enclosed in the parenthesis. Any letters or symbols, anything, but that should be enclosed in the parenthesis, double quotes. Operators. Operator means it's a symbol. It performs some task. For example, take a plus symbol. Plus is the operator which performs some addition operators. Just like we're having so many operators like arithmetical operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So like that, we will discuss in next class. Data types. Data types, that means data types. That means types of data, types of different data. So then we have primary data, secondary data, like that. Basically, primary data, it's integer data type, and long integer data type, and character data type, float data type, long float, double, like that. That integer, that means integer is the number which does not having any decimal point. That is the integer. Float is also a number which is having the decimal point. That is the float value. The integer number is having some range of number. When it is exceeds the number, and we will go for the long integer. In the same way, a float also. Once the exceed is range is exceeds, we will go for the long float. That's also called as double data type. And next is the character data type. Character means any character other than numbers. Constants. And we have so many constants. There is a numerical constants and symbolic constants and string constants, like that. Constant means it's a number which does not change anywhere. Which does not change anywhere. That is the constant. The constant is always stored in the variable. For example, we're having so many types of constants, like integer constant, octal number system, octal constant, hexadecimal number system, decimal number system, binary number system. So like that, all the numbers are number systems, numerical constants. Character constants and string constants. Character means it's a single character which is enclosed in the single quotation. Whereas a string is the group of characters that should be enclosed in the double quotations. Variables. Variable means variable is the identifier which identifies some location of the storage well. The number or data that will be stored into the variable. Variable name always variable must be valid identifier. That means related. The name must be related. Must not be keyword. So previously I told that means reserved words should not be the variable name. Reserved is the different, and identifier is the variable name is the different. Names are case sensitive. Names are case sensitive. That means case sensitive means uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase or lowercase. And in C language, we have to use the only lowercase letters. Variables are identified by only first 32 characters. Library commonly use names beginning with underscore, uppercase style and lowercase style, like that. And you should not give the space between the name while naming the variables. Declaring the variable, each variable used must be declared. Each variable used must be declared. A form of a declaration statement is, that is the syntax of declaration of the variable. Data type, that should be give the first priority. Data types, variable 1 and variable 2 and variable 3 and so on. You can give the more than one variable in the same data type. If it is a different data type, and you should give the in separate line. Declaration announces that the data type of a variable and the allocation appropriate memory location, no initial value should be assumed. It is possible to assign an initial value to a variable in the declaration itself. See here example, it's very clear. Integer sum equal to 0. Here int means integer, that is a data type. Sum is the variable, and 0 is the initial value. So that is the new line character, reverse/n, that is a new line character, that cursor will be pushed down to the next line, that is new line character. Okay, next to the float. Global and local variables. Whereas the global variables means, and so while we're discussing the user defined functions, these global variables and local variables will come, and there we will discuss and very clearly. That means global variable means these variables are the global. That means we can declare, or you can utilize, or you can use anywhere in the programming. It may be either top of the program or middle of the program. Anywhere in the program you can use. That is no restrictions. That is a global variable. Anywhere, any function you can use. Whereas the local variable, local variables are the variables which we can use where you declare. You should not use the other side of the function. So that is the local variable. That local means it is local. That is a particular area. It restricts the particular area. Whereas global is the no restrictions. You can use the anywhere.